What's the meaning of becoming? Becoming. Becoming.
Becoming. Becoming. Becoming is a complex term with a variety of meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. At its core, it refers to the process of transformation or change, whether it's an individual's personal growth, the evolution of a society or culture, or the formation of a new identity or belief system. Becoming implies that something is in a state of flux, moving from one state to another, and that this process involves a sense of journey or progression towards a goal or ideal. It can also suggest a sense of possibility and potential, a recognition that anything is possible with the right effort and determination. Overall, becoming is a powerful term that captures the essence of human aspiration, growth, and development.